Discover a game-changing way to boost your finances and bid farewell to month-end money worries. Uncover top ingenious money hacks that promise a substantial impact on your financial landscape. No more scrutinizing every penny. Welcome to the channel, subscribe and let's dive in. Now, let's talk about a crucial aspect often overshadowed by the quest to earn more: optimizing your spending to save money. After all, the road to financial freedom isn't just about inflating your income, it's also about making savvy choices to retain more of what you've worked hard for. We're on a journey to empower your financial prowess, providing you with a treasure trove of strategies that won't just pinch pennies but will transform the way you navigate your financial landscape. Because it's not just about counting dollars, it's about making every dollar count. So, buckle up as we delve into these smart money hacks, ushering in a new era of financial wisdom and empowerment. Automate your savings. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual savings and welcome a stress-free approach. Introducing the game-changing concept of automatic savings, an effortless way to build your wealth without breaking a sweat. Here's the beauty of it: just decide on a fixed amount to stash away each month, and let the magic happen. Watch as those seemingly small contributions snowball into a substantial sum, all while you hardly notice a dent in your pocket. And that's not even the best part. Online savings accounts are the secret weapon here, offering interest rates that put traditional bank accounts to shame. Imagine earning over 10 times the national average interest rate, simply by committing to deposit a minimum of $100 monthly. It's an unparalleled deal that outshines other investment options or locking your money away. But here's the real clincher: the money you allocate for savings won't linger within your immediate reach. This separation ensures you won't be tempted to splurge, allowing your nest egg to grow untouched. So, take the first step towards a more prosperous future and let automatic savings redefine the way you manage your money. Convenience, growth, and peace of mind, all rolled into one. Create monthly budget. Let's face it, saving money isn't all about secret shortcuts. Sometimes it's about getting the basics right. And the first step? Knowing exactly where your money is flowing. It might not seem like a hack at first glance, but trust us, this is the foundation of financial success. Enter the game changer: expense tracking. Think of it as your money GPS, guiding you towards smarter spending habits. Don't worry, setting up a budget doesn't have to be as tedious as organizing receipts for your accountant. There are nifty methods to ease you in. You've got options galore. If you're the spreadsheet whiz, go for it. Prefer an online budget sheet? That works too. Yet, if you're all about tech convenience, an array of apps await your command. These digital wizards handle the heavy lifting, with no math skills required. Imagine this: no more rummaging for paper proof, no need for complex equations. Just a tap of your finger, and boom, your spending is at your fingertips. But here's where the hack comes into play: these apps won't cost you a dime. That's right, all these money tracking marvels are yours for free, making budgeting a breeze. So, if financial freedom sounds good, and trust us, it does, gear up to track your expenses effortlessly, carve out a budget that suits your lifestyle, and watch those savings soar, all while keeping your wallet snugly shut. Discover if your employer's 401k is the best option for you. Picture this: you're diligently stashing your cash in your employer's 401k plan, feeling confident that you're on the road to financial security. But wait, there's a hitch: hidden fees could be stealthily gobbling up your hard-earned savings, and your investments might not be performing at their best for you. Time for a reality check. To safeguard your financial future, it's crucial to take the reins and do your own research. Don't let your 401k turn into a hidden fee treasure chest. You need to ensure that every dollar you invest is working its magic to propel you towards financial freedom. Here's the scoop: even if your company offers a 401k plan, it doesn't automatically translate to the best deal for you. Those sneaky fees could erode your nest egg over time, and the investment options might be mismatched with your risk tolerance. Here's where a nifty solution comes in: a cutting-edge app that unravels the complexities for you. It analyzes your 401k like a financial detective and guides your investment choices with precision. This genius tool does more than optimize your retirement savings, it keeps you laser-focused on your goals. So, don't let your hard-earned money vanish into the abyss of hidden fees and underperforming investments. Empower yourself, embrace the tech-savvy side, and let the app lead you towards a future where financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's your reality. Your 401k deserves nothing less than a star-studded performance on your path to prosperity. Use a raise to save more. Imagine the thrill of a well-deserved raise hitting your paycheck, the fruits of your labor finally recognized. Now, here's the savvy twist: resist the urge to splurge it all away. Picture this, a portion of that extra income sizzling into your savings. Hold up, don't think it means you can't indulge in a little treat. It's all about balance. By siphoning off a slice into your savings, you're not just savoring the sweet rewards of your hard work, but also stealthily boosting your financial future. Here's the golden nugget of wisdom: avoid the temptation to inflate your lifestyle. Instead, seize this golden chance as one of the ultimate money-saving strategies in your arsenal. The result? A bigger, brighter safety net for your dreams and aspirations. Oh, and let's talk about that raise. If you're yearning for the sweet taste of success in the form of a fatter paycheck, we've got your back. Our sensational tips are your secret weapon to confidently march into that negotiation and emerge victorious. So, buckle up. Your journey to financial triumph starts with that raise and the brilliant decision to stow away a slice of it for your future. It's not just about having more, it's about paving the way to financial security without skimping on life's little pleasures. Let's get one thing straight: saving money isn't about stifling your joy, it's about unlocking the ability to splurge on what truly ignites your passion. Think globe-trotting adventures to exotic locales, yes, even like me, or perhaps cultivating your garden with whimsical fairy plants. Who knew, right? It's your happiness, your way. With a fresh perspective and newfound knowledge, I hope you've unearthed some ingenious saving hacks you never pondered before. The thrill of steering your financial ship has never been so empowering. Remember, it's not about missing out, it's about opening doors to the experiences you cherish. So, whether you're conquering the world or simply tending to your fairy plants, may your finances align with your heart's desires, our dreams, your choices, your prosperity. Now that's living. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.